I think I did it. I think I did it. I think I did it.
If you look throughout the promises that they assume that they have proposed, the thread is the same. After exorbitant increase in traffic fines targeted affecting mainly the transport operators, they're going to propose a benefit of approximately $4,000 a year. And they assume that that did it. But no, that didn't did it. And that didn't do it. In the charge of a tint is $500,000. Mr. President, this is a poll budget that was aimed to take advantage of the lack of information, a poll budget in the public. But if you think that did it, you made a sad mistake. I asked the taximen, and they respond $4,000 after taking $400,000. No, it didn't did it. I asked the youth who have given up on the prosperity plan, do you think it did it? They say no, it didn't did it. I asked the grand announcements, did it? If they said making what's already free, it didn't do it for me. I asked the teachers, did it? They told me to ask their travel agents because it didn't did it. I asked the children getting one lunch per week, did it? They say no, it didn't did it. I asked the entertainment practitioners who can't get a permit due to daily states of emergency, did it? No, it didn't did it. I asked the single mothers. And Mr. President, I asked the posters. And the unfortunate answers will be no, Mr. H, no, Mr. C. This budget did not did it for me.